Nice placard.
I like the model version.
Yeah.
It's the Old Farts Racing Team. '56 Chevy. Man, that is clean.
I love that black and white with the chrome in the middle.
So cool.
I like that a lot.
That two-tone is awesome. With the chrome splitting the two-tone?
Yeah.
So cool. It's still got some those wings on the back.
I love it.
That's a mean looking car.
Yeah.
Been lowered too.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's the Fresh Prince of 1957.
1957 Bel Air.
Bel Air. Look at the. That's what set this apart for me. Is usually people will match the interior to the exterior on a Bel Air, but that had the nice black and gray
I like the contrast.
of the red. Yeah.
And the gold accents.
Yep. That's just how Bel Air did it, man.
This is cool.
I love what they did
Yeah. The flat black with the
on the bumper.
1955 Chevy Bel Air with a mean paint job and style. Gray with flat black trim, red accents, and purple LED headlights. That is 1954 Shorty Bel Air. Oh, that's cool.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it makes that back move over the wheel part of the door.
I like the seat.
Grandfather. That's cool, man.
1957 Chevy Bel Air.
I like that gold.
Yeah, it looks a little odd with all the chrome,
Yeah.
but not bad,
It's unique.
but in a good way.
See the Bel Air implements too.
Pretty sure we've seen this. Maybe not. 1957 Chevy Bel Air.
We'll have to check the records.
Just the gold Chevy on the front looked
It's a
familiar to
different
me.
color though. It
Okay,
was like a turquoise.
you're right. You're right. Look at all the chrome on that. That thing's wild. Looks like a hearse. 1961 Chevy Nomad. One of a kind two-door.
One I filmed in Elkhorn was actually a Bel Air Nomad, so it had more of the Bel Air style to it.
This one's a two-door. Most of them the few I've seen were four doors.
Yeah.
1957 Chevy Bel Air convertible.
It's family history.
It's
Very
to
cool.
hold on to.
Yeah. Nice job. 1956 Chevy 210.
The blue really makes that white stand out, doesn't it?
Yeah, blue on white is cool.
Always go around and film.
All right.
If you scan that code, you can
All right, thank you.
Oh yeah, we'll
as
probably
many shows we can.
Yeah, no, thank you.
have this show up next week
There you go.
for Bel Air hardtop.
Bel Air hardtop?
Yep.
Those Those big rear wheel moons.
Yeah.
Well filmed from the shade, jeez.
Red looks almost peach. Peachy red. Interior's cool.
The dashboard is that same peachy. It is peachy.
Unique color.
Yeah.
I like the two-tone on the Bel Airs. This car ain't mad.
Hey man, it's Bel
He
Air.
ain't mad at you.
Oh no, it's a Bel Air.
1955 Chevy Handyman wagon.
What wagon?
Handyman wagon.
They did a Bel Air wagon too.
Look at the plane on the front of that thing. That's awesome.
You notice it's only, what is there, a suicide door on this? Yeah. What?
That's a 3-door.
Yeah, oh, okay.
Well, it's a 4-door if you count the back.
Yeah. I still don't see how you open it.
Interior only. There's no hinge. I think they closed it off, so it's a coupe now.
Very similar to this. Let's say it's a 59. Oh, 55 Bel Air. I don't even know when they stopped making them, but they kept that clean white interior there. Stock dash, just like we saw yesterday. Bel Air station wagon right next to it. No shortage of Bel Airs today, folks. I have not filmed the Bel Air station wagon yet. Never seen one of these guys. Never seen one of these before.
That's nice.
Yeah. 55 Nomad. Holy shit. Oh my god. Red and black for the interior. Oh, you're fine. No, you're not in it. You're not in it. That is beautiful. Look at this cooler up front. Good Lord. The LS series.